Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to generate a QR code for any web page directly in Google Chrome. The best part about this method is that it doesn't require any third-party applications, extensions, or websites. It uses a built-in feature in Chrome. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome and navigate to any website you'd like to generate a QR code for. For example, I'll use this web page. To create the QR code, right-click on any blank area of the web page. In the context menu that appears, select the option Create QR Code for this page. Once you click on it, the QR code will be generated instantly. You now have the option to either copy the QR code or download it as an image. Let's click Download, and you'll see that the QR code image is saved to your device. You can scan this QR code using your mobile phone or any online QR code scanner, and it will direct you to the web page linked to the code. And that's it! You've successfully generated a QR code for a web page using Google Chrome. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, comment, and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips. Thank you for watching and have a great day.